Hello, welcome back to BT Smart Academy channel. Today we are going to talk about developing OGSM for management. OGSM, Objectives, Goals, Strategies, Measures, is a framework used in management and strategic planning to align organizational objectives with concrete actions and metrics. Here's a step-by-step guide to developing an OGSM framework for management. 1. Objectives. Objectives are broad, qualitative statements that define what the organization aims to achieve. They should be clear, concise, and aligned with the organization's mission and vision. When developing objectives, specificity. Objectives should specify outcomes or results that are desired. Measurability. Ensure objectives can be measured or evaluated to determine success. Relevance. Objectives should be relevant to the organization's strategic priorities. Time frame. Consider the time frame within which objectives should be achieved. Example. Objective. Enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. 2. Goals. Goals are specific, measurable targets that support the achievement of objectives. They provide clarity on what needs to be accomplished to fulfill the objectives. When setting goals, SMART criteria. Ensure goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Quantifiability. Goals should be quantifiable to facilitate tracking and evaluation. Alignment. Goals should directly contribute to achieving the stated objectives. Example. Goal. Increase customer satisfaction scores from 85% to 90% by the end of the fiscal year. 3. Strategies. Strategies outline the approach or methods that will be used to achieve the goals. They bridge the gap between goals and day-to-day activities. When formulating strategies, action-oriented. Describe specific actions or initiatives that will be implemented. Resource allocation. Consider the allocation of resources, human, financial, technological, needed to execute the strategies. Risk management. Anticipate potential challenges and include contingency plans. Example. Strategy. Implement a customer feedback system to gather insights and address service gaps promptly. 4. Measures. Measures are the specific metrics or indicators used to track progress and evaluate the success of strategies in achieving goals. They provide a basis for performance monitoring and decision-making. When defining measures, clarity. Clearly define how each measure will be calculated and interpreted. Frequency. Determine how often data will be collected and reviewed. Benchmarking. Establish benchmarks or targets against which actual performance will be compared. Example. Measure. Track monthly customer satisfaction scores using Net Promoter Score, NPS, and Customer Satisfaction Index, CSI. Example of OGSM framework. Objective. Enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Goal. Increase customer satisfaction scores from 85% to 90% by the end of the fiscal year. Strategy. Implement a customer feedback system to gather insights and address service gaps promptly. Measure. Track monthly NPS and CSI scores. Conduct quarterly reviews to assess progress and make adjustments. Implementation and review. Implementation. Assign responsibilities, allocate resources, and initiate action plans based on the formulated strategies. Review and adaptation. Regularly review performance against measures, adjust strategies as needed, and ensure alignment with changing organizational priorities. The OGSM framework provides a structured approach to strategic planning and management, ensuring that objectives are translated into actionable goals, strategies, and measurable outcomes that drive organizational success. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe for more educational videos.